Hi, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle. And here's a 1981 Kawasaki KZ305. We do have a title for it. It came in a load of stuff we bought, and unfortunately we're trying to thin down our herd a little bit, so we don't have time to get to it this winter. We're really backed up on service work and parts orders. It has 1,340 original miles to the best of our knowledge. Motor does turn over, which you'll see later in the video. I did do a compression test, but it sounds really good. It's got the really hard to find original airbox extension and everything with the air filter. And seat's pretty decent shape. It's not perfect, but it's pretty decent. But we're hoping that somebody can do something nice with this for a nice summer rider. So it'd be good for an entry-level bike, good commuter to work. If you work locally somewhere, save you some good money on gas. And it seems like it has some pretty good bones because of the low mileage. So this is a project bike, so I would imagine it's been sleeping for a while, so I would assume you'd probably want to go through the valves, check the brake, check the tires, you know, so on and so forth. Maybe change the oil, put some fresh gas in it. But with the low mileage it has, it shouldn't need a whole crazy amount of things. It shouldn't be worn out yet, so should be a good one.